Well, hey there friends, welcome to another 4Runner tutorial video. This time we're going to be replacing our back tail light. I actually have my passenger side tail light has been burnt out, so we need to replace that. Again, it's located right here in the center, and actually it's a really easy process. Basically, all you're going to need are your new bulbs. So let me give you a close-up on these guys. Here's what we're working with. And make sure this is the brand number and then the model number up here. The number is very important. I'm going to put a link in the description box below where you can pick these up on Amazon if you like, to make it real simple. So again, what we're doing is going after the very center where our tail light bulb is located. And to get to that, you have to come around here to this little compartment. Again, this is on a 2003, and this is going to a 2003 4Runner, but this is going to work on a 2003 through 2009. Basically, we're just going to open up this little compartment, and that is going to reveal our basically our wiring back to the tail lights. So our tail light bulb, the main bulb that comes on when you turn on your headlights at night, is this guy right here in the middle. And to get it out, basically you're just going to grip it. Now be a little careful here. You don't want to go and rip stuff out, but give it a good squeeze, and you're just going to turn it counterclockwise about 10 degrees or so. And you can see it just pops right out. As you can see, it kind of has that black soot that indicates it definitely has been burnt out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the new bulb in now. All right, now to pull this bulb out, basically you're going to need two hands. I've already loosened it, but so I can hold the camera here. But basically this just pulls right out of the housing. And again, you may need to use two hands, but basically just pulls out just like that. And there's the old one. So I'm going to grab the new one, and we'll put that right back into the housing here. Okay, once you have your new bulb, it's basically going to slide in exactly the same way. Again, I'm going to use two hands to get this nice and snug inside of there. All right, there we go. You can see I actually turned on my lights just to make sure it was in fact working. One last step to do, I'm actually going to take a rag and I'm going to wipe off my fingerprints off of the bulb. Again, the oils on the bulb really can weaken it if it gets too hot and actually shatter the bulb if you're not careful. Okay, now that we've replaced our bulb, basically it's just going to be a reverse process. We're going to bring this back in here, stick it right through our brake light hole. Basically, you're going to be lining up these little notches right here, and once it slides all the way in, you're going to give it a nice clockwise turn back, and you'll hear that little snap, and it'll snap right back into place and lock in. All right, as you can see there, the light is in fact on, and we now have a working tail light. Again, here is the light bulbs that I highly suggest. You can get them at your local auto parts store for roughly $8 or $9, but they're on Amazon for about $6. So there you go. Again, links in the description box below. If you're looking to change out any of your other bulbs, I'll put links down in those description box as well. Stay tuned, friends, and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial 4Runners coming up soon. Thanks for watching.